Hi everyone, my name is David, and I'm excited to be here to represent our project for Google Agent Development Kit Hackathon with Google Cloud. I'm not working on this project alone. I'm a part of a small but passionate team, and I have been building this together with Dave. Together, we have been exploring one central idea: how can we make AI feel more alive? Because, have you ever wondered why AI often feels so passive? They wait for your input, answer your questions, and that's it. There's nothing else. They don't ask questions, offer ideas, or truly engage with you. That sparked a question for us. What if an AI could be more alive, proactive, curious, and creative? That question led to the creation of our project. We wanted to build an AI that doesn't just answer, but thinks ahead, initiates meaningful dialogue, and becomes a real partner in the thinking process. That's why we built Wise. We are not just building an AI assistant, we are building an AI thinking partner. Our features, from proactive daydream agent to the cognitive lenses, are all designed to enhance and augment human creativity and analysis, not just automate it.
Alright, let's dive into the demo. I will show you how our AI goes beyond just answering questions. It actively engages, asks thoughtful follow-ups, and helps drive creative or research-focused conversations. Think of it less like a chatbot and more like a thinking partner. The first thing you will notice about Wise is that it is already thinking. This is the magic of our Daydream agent, quietly active in background, analyzing data, drawing connections, and uncovering insights before you even begin. Instead of greeting you with an empty page, it welcomes you with a spark. Is this here, the spark? A timely, data-driven insight designed to inspire. It is a gentle nudge and a thoughtful starting point that sets the tone for a deeper and more meaningful interaction. But it doesn't just stop there. The Daydream agent also tunes in to your vibe. Let's make a prompt. Explain Walmart business model. Okay. This emotional awareness helps it adapt, respond, and truly feel alive, turning every conversation into something intuitive, personal, and engaging. At the heart of Wise right now is the conversational agent. This is where we address a key need for any deep thinking: context switching. Right now, we are in analytical mode, and in this mode, the agent is a precise and a logical researcher. But great ideas require more than just analysis. This is why changing the cognitive lens is so important. With one click here, we switch to imaginative mode. For example, what if the stock market was an ecosystem? And here, as you can see, it gives you a, a very creative answer as imaginative agent. Now, the very same conventional agent changes its entire personality. It becomes a creative muse, helping you brainstorm with metamorphs and lateral thinking. This ability to switch between being a scientist and poet is what makes Wise a true thinking partner.
Yup, so that is our project Wise. We hope you find it as exciting and inspiring as we do, and we are always open to feedback. And if you have any questions regarding the project, please don't hesitate to contact us to ask. We did more than happy to dive deeper and share more with you.